I'm Kool Kid.
Kool Image Dolls. Kool Image. Kool Image Dolls.
We're the Kool Kid crew. I'm beautiful. I can do anything I put my mind to. I'm Kool Kid.
Kool Image Dolls. Kool Image. Kool Image Dolls. Yes, I can.
Episode 7, Santa Who?
Kool Image Dolls. Kool Image. Kool Image Dolls. Kool Image. Kool Image Dolls.
Hey, welcome back to Kool Image Dolls. It's your girl Lolo and I'm here with Tika and Kiki. So today is the Christmas episode.
Wait, what is Christmas?
Wait.
I don't know what that is.
What do you mean y'all don't know about Christmas?
Like we said, Lolo, what is
So how did y'all just let Miss Dom dress y'all up with a snowman and a reindeer and y'all don't know nothing about Christmas?
Well, we've been dressing up this whole time.
Sure,
I just had a unicorn. How would we know?
Jesus. Okay, so Christmas basically is a time when kids and families share basically, I guess, presents.
Ooh, presents.
Time, energy with each other to express how much they love each other. It's
I think I'm
another
gonna like
holiday to
Christmas,
express how
Tika.
much you love
Me too. So what do we gotta do to be a part of Christmas? What's all this? I think we gotta cook like Thanksgiving, right?
Well, part of the Christmas tradition is baking cookies.
God. So we're baking sweets instead of food, just like on Thanksgiving. But
Yes,
Christmas.
every holiday has a sweet.
Hey Kiki, I think I love
But this is
Kiki,
one
I'm trying
that
to
is
listen.
the most important.
Is it because there's gifts and food?
Yes.
Understandable. Favorite
Say,
holiday.
Kiki?
This might be one of my favorite holidays. Yeah, me too. What about you, Lolo?
You know,
Yeah, Lolo, how do you feel about
I
Christmas?
think I might like this holiday the most of all. Yep, presents and food.
Presents
I
and
agree.
food.
Alright, so you guys want to help me put the cookies on the tray?
We're dolls, Lolo.
We'll help as best we can.
Okay, well, I know you guys are dolls and you can't move, so I guess you guys want to watch and coach?
There we go, Lolo.
Okay. Alright, well, let's get to it.
Remember, always wash your hands and keep them clean. So first what we're going to do is we're going to open up the cookie pack. So we got chocolate chip Chips Ahoy cookies from the supermarket. You can get it at any local store, and we have a non-stick baking pan. So because I'm going to have some cookies left over, they're not all going to fit, I'm going to cut open the cookie pack and put the rest in the plastic bag for later. So I'm going to start by putting them on the pan and dividing them up evenly so they can all cook. Hey, comment down below. Do you guys make your cookies from scratch, or do you buy pre-made cookies from the store? Comment down below. We want to know how you guys spend your Christmas. Hey Lolo, can we ask a question?
Sure, what's up, y'all?
What happens if you put too many cookies on the pan, or they're too close together?
Great question. If there's not enough room, they'll actually morph together and make a big cookie.
Wow, well how many cookies are there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Wow, it's a lot of cookies we fit. Well, I think it's time to put them in the oven.
Yay! Let's put these in the oven and we'll be back.
Guys, so do you see why I put 12 cookies on the tray?
Yeah, we're only 12 to fit.
Yeah, because 12 could fit.
We're dolls, but we're smart too.
These dolls. Okay, so I wanted to tell you guys after the fact, because I knew you guys would get kind of excited about the sweets, but these cookies aren't for you.
I knew this was all for nothing. I knew it.
Do you know
Who
who
are
these
they
cookies
for,
are
huh?
for?
Who are they
Comment down
for? Who
below.
do we give them to? Is
I don't
that
wanna
the
break
present?
dolls'
Was
hearts.
that the
They got
present?
kinda sad.
I can't believe this, Tika.
Kiki, you could get at least
There's
one
12
cookie.
cookies here, and I only get
I mean,
one?
okay, there's enough for at least all of us to have at least
Oh
one
my
cookie.
god, Kiki, we only get one
Tika,
cookie.
Christmas is unbelievable.
Alright, well, how about I tell you after I put them in the oven?
At this point, you have a deal.
How's that sound, Tika?
Okay. Come on, Tika, stop crying. Let's go put some ornaments on the tree. Miss Dom, can you help me put some ornaments on the tree? You're right, Kiki. Let's focus on bigger, better things. Alright, let's get over there. Hey, Lolo, don't forget me. I'm not. Come on. Thank you. Ooh. Alright, thanks, Miss Dom. Alright, I want to put it right on the tree. Right about, right there. Am I going to get a turn too? Thank
Yes,
you.
Tika.
Well, that ornament looks so cute. Oh, look, Tika. It looks good. Oh yeah, Kiki. Oh, that
Yay,
looks awesome.
I love it.
Alright, my turn. Alright. Miss Dom, can you help me put my ornament on the tree, please? Thank you. Alright, I want it like right near Kiki's. Yes, Tika, right near me. Yeah, right there. Ooh, only 1,000,000 more to go, right? That's perfect. Do you even hear me, Tika? Alright, well, let me get... Yep, I want to go down there. Oh,
Yes.
boy. Alright, it's perfect. Whew. Hand me another one. Oh, no. Ooh, Tika, I'm pooped. Me too. Yup, tune in next week for part 2.
Stop! Before you go, you must say the pledge. Ready? 1, 2, 3. I love myself. I love my hair. Don't touch my hair. It's not your hair. I love my skin. The skin I'm in. My personal blend. My perfect skin. I choose to smile because my smile can cure your frown and lift
My crown! Yay, you did it! We'll see you next time.
Kid crew. I'm you.
Next episode,
Anything can put my mind
Saturday,
to.
December 19th.
Kool Image Dolls. Kool Image. Kool
Next
Image Dolls.
episode,
Kool Kid crew. I'm
episode
you.
7
I can do
again.
anything can put my
Santa
mind to.
Who Part 2.
Kool Image Dolls. Kool Image. Kool Image Dolls. Yes, I can put love above all. I can never fail with my Kool Image Dolls. Kool Image. Kool Image Dolls. Kool Image. Kool Image Dolls. Yes, I can put love above all. I can never fail with my Kool Image Dolls. Kool Image. Kool Image Dolls. Kool Image. Kool Image
Yeah, the
Dolls.
Kool Kid crew. I'm beautiful. I can do anything can put my mind to. I'm Kool Kid.
Kool Image Dolls. Kool Image. Kool Image
Yeah,
Dolls.
the Kool Kid crew. I'm beautiful. I can do anything can put my mind to. I'm Kool Kid.